What's up, guys? Tennessee back with you here. Got another lot from boy Bilbo. Nice little Solv-x ideas at hand. I tried to look this up and I couldn't find any locks or any information about the company that made this or anything. It's not got any other marks on it. Except for on the front and back, and obviously the shackle where it says hardened. But yeah, let's chuck it up in the vise here and give it a pick. It's got some okay bitting on it, I guess, for a little padlock. So we will throw it in here, and I'm going to be using the Sparrows, Peterson worm and 25 thousandths. One of my favorite rakes. Whoops, jerked it right out of there, didn't I? That was kind of stupid. Anyway, alright. Should probably be using the bottom of the keyway with this, but I think it'll be alright. There we go. Bam. We're open. Oh goodness. I have to pick up my well, that's all for this video, guys. And we will catch you next time. You guys be safe and have an awesome rest of the weekend.